Okay, I'm going to make this extremely simple. I've watched dozens of videos on how to fix the carburetor on a Stihl FS55 brush cutter, weed trimmer, line trimmer, whippersnipper, whatever you want to call it. Here's the deal. Okay, this is my FS55C. I've had it for, God, I think 20 years, maybe longer. All right. I've replaced the gas tank because it was cracked and leaking. Watch the shadow. All right, so you take your weed trimmer out of storage every year. You try to start it, it doesn't start. All right, so all these guys say take off those 2 screws after you remove your cover and your filter. Take your carburetor out, disassemble it, see if your primer bulb's got a crack in it. Check the diaphragm, see if it's cracked. Okay, so now you've spent an hour dicking around with all this stuff. All right, here's the deal. Go to Amazon, look up your weed trimmer model number, order a new carburetor for $15. It'll be here in a couple of days. Take off those 2 screws, disconnect the cable, disconnect the fuel lines, remove the old carburetor, put on the new carburetor, reconnect the fuel lines, reconnect your cable, put on your filter, start your motor, go on about your day. That's it. Don't screw around with trying to rebuild your carburetor. Don't check it for damage. You've spent an hour and a half or 2 hours screwing around with a carburetor that you might not be able to fix. All right? And you're going to pay $10 or $15 for the rebuild kit. Why? Get the new carburetor. It's only $15. You don't even have to adjust it. Didn't have to adjust this one at all. And I've done this every year for 5 years. I don't waste my time. I don't want blisters on my hand from trying to crank it over. Just replace the carburetor. It's cheap. It's easy. It's fixed. Have a nice day. Thank me later.